What's up, Mochi? You miss me? There she is, in all her glory. Hey guys, welcome to my first video. So this is my 2023 GR86. It just hit 1,000 miles, so it's finally broken in. Now I could finally drive it. But it also needs a car wash, so I need to do an oil change and the car wash. So yeah. Oh. I knew that. Alright, wait. The reason why I'm blowing on the engine right here is because the engine is really hot from me driving to Subaru to pick up an oil filter. The oil filters over at Subaru are way cheaper than the ones at Toyota. Trust me. Oh, right. I got some LED lights. I'm gonna just install those while the engine's cooling still. Oh, that shit's hot. It's working. Oh, it's hot. Let me close the door. Fuck. Turn off. Turn off. Oh, thank God. I'm so stupid. I can't. Okay, just know I got this one in. I can't see. Time for the reverse lights. I think I know how to do it. Okay. Oh. So you just twist it left. Oh, I could just. Oh yeah. That was so unnecessary. Click. I can't wait to get a third brake light. So you go with. I struggle to the end. Okay, well, oil's still very much hot, but one thing I wanted to, I guess, talk about is how weird it is to talk to a camera in public. It's very weird. Like, I don't know why. I think it's because people like judge that it's kind of weird, but like, for me, it's just like. People always stare when you have a camera, and I just don't really like that they're staring, and then like they're gonna be like, oh, like, what are you making? And then they're gonna see my content is dog shit, and I'm like, fuck. Oh, well, that's tight. Oh, got some on me. Well, that is draining. I forgot I loosened that, but there you go. Ah, it's hot. Just like that. I'm gonna install this now. Alright guys, I'm finally done with the car wash and the oil change. I guess I just want to talk to you guys about why I chose the GR86 instead of the BRZ, and also why I switched from a WRX to this car. I first owned a 2020 WRX. That was my first manual car and I loved it. I loved the four-door, the practicality, the turbo, it was great. But when this car came out, I really was interested but not serious into changing, but I really wanted a coupe, and I also really wanted a rear-wheel drive car. I wanted to see what that was all about. But like, this car is not slow, I feel like. Surprisingly, it's like quick. It's quick, not fast. It ain't fast, but it's quick. Like, it'll get up there. But yeah, I just loved the seating position overall in this car way more than I did in the WRX. Like the WRX, it felt like I was sitting on top of it, while in this car I feel like I'm inside of it. Like, everything's around you, you know what I mean? But like, why I chose the GR86 over the BRZ is because race car. I feel like this car overall suits me better than the BRZ. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I have a new video coming up soon. It's gonna be me installing a trunk handle. Very anticipated video. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.